This is the FFR Trading Market Minute. And again, this is the SPY, the ETF for the S&P 500. We are on a daily chart here. And last week I pointed out, the market had made a new all-time high. But we had, even though the market was making higher highs, I pointed out that our little RSI here was made a slightly lower high. And so there was some bearish divergence up here, which told us that the buyers may be losing steam up here. Now, I had set an upside target there we didn't quite get to on that run before the pullback. So that bearish divergence was a good indicator that we were getting some type of pullback here. They went through the supports, even closed below the moving average support on this was Tuesday, but you can see that was a pretty bullish day, even though we opened way down here and traded all the way down almost to that next support there, but not quite. We didn't get quite oversold on the RSI here either, so it kind of stopped, kind of in the middle of nowhere here, but the bulls did come back. On Wednesday, we got a close back above the 20-period moving average. You can see the RSI on that day closed back above its moving average. Right, and once the high on that day, which was Wednesday, got taken out, that is a sign that this is going to have some legs, that we should get some push forward here, and the upside target is still in play. We've got some resistance here. It's the market currently on Thursday. It's about just about quarter after noon Eastern. There is some resistance here, but if we can clear that, then we do have a shot maybe of getting to that upside target there around that 650 level. Again, at that point, now tomorrow's Friday, and then we're going to have a weekend, so we'll have to see. But at that point, if we are up at that target, we should be in an overbought position at that point and maybe ready for another correction. If they fail to get to this target and make a new high here, and we end up with a lower high, right, then we're going to have to take a look at that. But that's just something to watch. If they fail to take out this high here. So upside targets, again, that's 650. There's another one that's the final of this, what I would see this leg reaching to the upside. The downside supports now, again, the moving average support, right? And this line that I've got down here is still out there. The economic data set for release next week. Wednesday, we kick it off with the PPI, and then Thursday, the CPI, and Friday's Michigan consumer sentiment. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.